Hey, makeup queens! Welcome to my channel. Today, we're kicking it old school with a Y2K and early 2000s inspired look. I literally can't even with how obsessed I am with this tutorial. It's going to take you on a trip down memory lane, or if you're too young to remember, make you grateful for the iconic beauty transformations. Y'all, I'm buzzing to get started. But before we dive into the sea of lip gloss and butterfly clips, let's keep the good vibes rolling. Please make sure to smash that subscribe button and join our fabulous family for the latest and coolest makeup tutorials. It'll be like having a sleepover with your besties, but online. And darlings, do stick around till the end because the final result is lit, trust me. It's going to blow your mind and leave you shook. It's all about trusting the process and seeing how you can transform into a Gen Z queen or a millennial goddess. So, I hope you're buzzing with inspiration and ready to recreate this iconic look and add your own sparkling touch. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and being part of this epic Y2K inspired look. If you've caught the beauty bug and want to hang with me every day, yes, every single day, check out my makeup YouTube shorts, your daily cheat sheet to lookin' literally fab. So, go ahead, flex that glittery thumb, hit subscribe, and join us in our glamazing journey. Can't wait to see you again, babes.